beautiful people, it's episode 15 of Credit 101. In this episode, I want us to talk about medical debts and which medical debts can be included on your credit reports. So, July 1st, 2023, all paid medical debts must be removed from your credit reports. That was the thing. If you guys paid your medical debts, it had to be removed from your credit reports. Don't forget, medical debt is just a collection basically. Before, if you paid it, it didn't matter. They're just going to say paid as agreed, paid, settled for less than, but paid in full. They'll have different things like that on your credit reports, but now they have to be removed from your credit report. So again, that's July 1st, 2023. Those paid ones must have been removed. Now, a new thing is that medical debts can only be added after 1 year. So now they have to make sure they wait 1 year. I think at first it was only you have to wait only 180 days. Now they have to wait a whole year before they put in your credit reports. So that gives you time to figure out these expenses. Don't forget medical expenses. We don't know when this stuff is going to happen a lot of times. So they're giving you guys a whole year to figure it out. Get on the payment plan with them. If you guys have medical debt, try to figure out if insurance can pay it, but you have a whole year to figure it out before it gets added to your credit reports. Now, if that debt is under $500, it cannot be added to your credit reports. And that is really good. I usually see petty debt on people's credit reports from medical bills like $43. And a lot of times it's just a copay. But you guys understand how much those that medical debt can affect your credit score. So I'm so happy that they did this. Now, FICO 9 and your Vantage score, it gives less weight to medical collections. And if you guys are also purchasing a house, it also gives you less weight, but still medical bills is a collection. If you guys have them removed from your credit reports, you'll see your credit scores go up. And if your credit scores go up from something being removed, that means that it did have some damage there. It shouldn't go up if it didn't affect it, right? So just make sure you guys follow these different steps in terms of just making sure you call them, try to see if you can settle it out, or try to just get it removed if it's an error on there too. A lot of medical debt is from collection companies like AmeriCollect, and they're re-aging your debt. So we're going to talk about the whole dispute process. We're going to dig deep into that. So keep that in your mind that you can dispute these debts. But remember, anything under $500, it better not be on there. So remember that FICO 9, they're not going to take medical, not FICO 9, but if you guys are buying a home, they're not going to take any medical debt into consideration at all into your FICO score, into your score that they give you. So that's something that's really good. And then again, other debt that was still on your credit reports that's over $500, and it's been after a year, it's been on it for you had this debt for more than a year. They can only stay on your credit reports for 7 years. So keep that in mind. It's a collection. So it can stay on there for 7 years. So let's actually go into episode 16 where we're going to talk about vets, because vets have different rights when it comes down to medical debt. So let's go ahead and talk about the medical debts for vets.